Good morning, Alphaland! What a fantastic day! I'm so happy to be alive that I could just burst! E! That feels better! E!
Hello, Double E. I just popped in.
E!
Beep.
Beep! I've never seen one of those.
Beep. Puzzling. Beep. It's got a big button. I think I'll pop off.
Beep, 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 beep.
E! It's talking!
Brilliant!
Beep, 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 beep.
He says his name's Beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
He says he can't see a thing.
Can't see?
E! See!
Beep.
Beep!
Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep.
E! Seed!
Beep, beep, beep.
It's a seed. It can grow into something bigger.
Beep. Beep, beep.
E! Of course you can have it.
Beep, beep.
Fantastic day for flying.
Tip-top day, team, isn't it?
Beep. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
What's that, Beep? You wish you could move around too?
Beep.
E! Feet!
Alphablocks!
I'm doing a treasure hunt and need to find something with 5 points. Can you help?
Leave this to me.
Ah. Star.
5 points. Problem solved.
Not really. The thing I'm looking for lives underwater.
I know something that lives underwater.
Fish.
Your worries are over.
But I need something that lives underwater and has 5 points.
You mean something like a star and a fish? I've got it. Stand back, Alphablocks. Plus. Star plus fish makes...
Star. Fish. Starfish. That's right. A starfish. Thank you, Plus Man.
My work here is done. So long, Alphablocks.
Come back, sheep! Please come back!
Sheep on the loose? An unhelpful dog? This looks like a job for Plusman! Plus. Sheep plus dog makes...
E! Sheep!
Dog!
Sheepdog! You've done it again, Plusman!
Alphablocks!
Today, we're running out of steam. All we want is to go off to sleep and dream. Sorry, kids. Didn't mean to kick it so hard. But since you're awake, fancy a kick around? Are we ever going to get any peace? Right. If you can't beat them, join them. E E E E E E E E E E E E E E, 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 E. E, 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 E. But when Magic E does his magic on me, I can turn into an eat. Athlete! Without a doubt, we can wear you out when we make you all eat. Compete! Everybody, let's have a bed jumping competition. Ready, set, go! When I'm with E, we say E. Sleep. When I'm with A, we say E. Dream. And when Magic E does his magic on me, we say E, E, E. Now you're on the dream team, so let off some steam, team. We won't make a peep, and soon we'll be fast asleep.
Alphablocks!
1, 2, 3, 4. What's he doing?
I don't know.
Hide. Hide. Who are we hiding from?
I don't know.
Eh? Hello? Eh? Hello? Where is he? Eh! As a pair, we can look everywhere. Eek!
What's the fuss?
We're playing hide and seek. Bet you can't find us.
We'll count to 6. 1, 2, 3. Hide. Hide. 4, 5, 6.
Eek! Seek!
They've disappeared.
Let's find them. Coming, ready or not.
Where is everyone?
Hide. Wide. Seek. Seek. Hide. Ride.
Whoa! Giddy up! Alphablocks!
Somewhere
Pretty amazing.
called
Eric. I mean, space.
So, home is down there.
And we're up here.
Calamity! How do we get back? Saved! We're saved! It's F!
Fabulous to see you all. Isn't it fantastic up here? I feel so free. Must fly.
Come back! So, what do we do now?
Escape.
Perfect. How?
Somebody do something!
E. Eep. E. P.
I like peas.
A. Ape. We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make anything.
Hold my hand,
make a magical land.
When letters get together,